Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Lydia Minarti Arnani. I am a student of Indonesia Catholic University of St. Paul Ruteng English Study Program Faculty. In this video, I want to explore one destination of domestic tourism and one destination of international tourism. Okay, why people need to travel sometimes? I think people need to travel causes of several things. The first one is entertainment or refreshing. Second, want to find out new things that he have never found before. The people want to traveling because they want to find something really new in their life. Usually, people who have traveled before are bored with what they find in everyday life. Third, help us to increase self-confidence. Traveling will give us a sense of freedom because one of way we can learn many things about independence and being responsible for facing every challenge. Fourth, traveling provides an effective experience. When traveling, we will get new experiences. All these new experiences will certainly give a distinct impressions that will make someone's mental positive because they can better interpret life. For me, traveling is a very great fun because by traveling, especially if we go to travel alone, we will experience and find the new and extraordinary things. Although there is fear in facing new things, we must have the courage to conquer that fear. By traveling, we can also find our identity. We can go back to thinking about the dreams we want to achieve, the things that make us despair, and so on. By traveling also helps us to learn independently. By traveling, of course, we will be separated from parents who always provide that we need. First one, I want to explore about domestic tourism destination. For domestic tourism destination, I chose one place in Indonesia is Labuan Bajo. Okay, Labuan Bajo is one of the 9 villages in Komodo District, West Manggarai Regency, East Nusa Tenggara. With its ecosystem, Labuan Bajo has become a tourist destination that is even well known to foreign countries. Becoming a tourist destination, Labuan Bajo later became the capital of West Manggarai Regency with transportation facilities for docks, ports, and even airports. Labuan Bajo has many tourist destinations. It can be said that almost every meter of the area has beauty and uniqueness. Labuan Bajo is indeed a small island that connects all the beauty starting from the beach, sea, hills, and grasslands. There is even a village that is unique with the preservation of its customs, which is still maintained today. Okay. Famous tourist objects include Komodo Island, Pink Beach, Padar Island, Rinca Island, Manta Point, and small islands such as Kanawa, Loh Liang, waterfalls, and even caves in Labuan Bajo. The most famous of all is Komodo Island. Komodo Island is so called because of the existence of Komodo dragons. Likewise, Komodo Island is a national park which is accepted as a World Heritage Site category by the UNESCO. Padar Island is one of the best islands in the Komodo National Park area, which is increasingly popular. This island with amazing view is located not far from Rinca Island. Padar Island and Rinca Island are only separated by the Lintas Strait. Besides Komodo Island, which is also famous in Pink Beach and Manta Point. Pink Beach is a beach with pink sand that is attractive and has a unique view, while Manta Point is a statue located at the bottom of one of the beaches in Labuan Bajo, which is one of the unique diving spots. And when we visit at Labuan Bajo, the people there saw many of their culture attractions. First of all, when the tourists come, they are greeted with a kepok or welcoming ceremony. The kepok tradition itself for local residents is a tribute to the guests that come to visit the island there. The tribal chairman, or in Manggarai language called Tuagolo, will prepare a white or red roster and also a white moke that has been stored in a bottle from a later pumpkin, or in Manggarai language is called tabu. Okay, every year in Labuan Bajo, Komodo Festival is held. During the festival, various culinary, handicrafts, and arts they exhibited, starting from bamboo crafts, woven fabric, coffee, doko-doko meal, and also the typically flores is honey. The Komodo Festival is a tourism promotion effort to preserve culture and traditions. Tourists will enjoy culture and marine offerings. This Komodo Festival involves the community cultural arts studios, regional officials, tourism actors, culinary entrepreneurs, and even students. Okay, one of the tourist attractions in Labuan Bajo is the cultural ball of the dance, namely the Caci dance. Caci dance, which shows a pair of male dancers who fight with a whip and shield. The dancer, who is armed with a whip, acts as the attacker and the other defense using the shield. This dance is played during Thanksgiving for the harvest season, or in Manggarai language it's Hangboja, a New Year rituals, or in Manggarai language also Penti, land clearing ceremonies, or other layered traditional ceremonies, as well as to welcome important guests. The customs used by dancers themselves are quite unique, and it turns out that they are not only complementary or accessories but have their own meaning. Okay, the next attraction is there Rangkuk Alu. Rangkuk Alu dance is not just an ordinary game. Apart from being a means of entertainment, the Rangkuk Alu dance can also be a means of education and self-formation. In playing this dance, we can train agility and practice accuracy in acting. For the people in Manggarai, this dance certainly also contains philosophical and spiritual values in it. Okay, now we can see the people's lifestyle, views of life, and values existed in the community. Okay, the lifestyle of Labuan Bajo of Labuan Bajo people, especially young people, started hanging out and getting drunk, they started to imitate the tourist lifestyle. Okay, and the existence of hotels, cafes, pubs, and restaurants with music and the noise of the visitors disturbed the peace of society. Let alone many cafes and pubs which are sometimes close together even in residential complexes. The development of tourism also provides new alternative livelihoods for the community local in earning a living, such as by selling souvenirs of Komodo statues, woven fabric, and various other carving for tourists. In general, attendance and tourism development in Labuan Bajo, West Manggarai Regency has profit impact on improving the economic of West Manggarai Regency. Socially, life society has also changed. Fishing communities, for example, are no longer free to go to sea catching fish in all marine zones. It's suggested that there is already a ban on fishing fish in certain zones. Okay, how to trips in Labuan Bajo? Okay, trips to Labuan Bajo, especially trips to Komodo Island, are more accessible with many transportation options. There is intercity transportation, inter-island transportation, and also local transportation. All types of transportation have different costs. Okay. For accommodation, there are two areas of Komodo National Park, namely staying on a boat or staying at an inn in Labuan Bajo. Homestay price in Labuan Bajo start from 100,000 rupiah per night, and many in Labuan Bajo over island hopping tour package. Okay, and now how Labuan Bajo tourism during the pandemic COVID-19. Okay, during the pandemic COVID-19 had a considerable impact on the dive tourism industry. At the beginning development of COVID-19 in Indonesia, Labuan Bajo tourism was closed for some time, but when it entered the new normal period, tourism reopened. In the midst of this ongoing pandemic, the Labuan Bajo Tourism Authority Agency is coordinating with Komodo National Park, local government, and tourism stakeholders of West Manggarai Regency, planning to create an online registration system and membership in Komodo National Park and nearby destinations. This policy was implemented to avoid a surge in tourists come to Labuan Bajo. In addition, this system also aims to preserve the Komodo National Park area without losing the opportunity for the tourists to still be able to visit Komodo National Park and get quality tourism experience. Okay, post-pandemic tourist trends include requiring destinations to have high health survey standard, traveling in small groups, and avoiding combined trips with other individual house background is unknown. Okay. These activities are expected to strengthen the capacity of the community through the formation, addition, and strengthening of local community skill. This training is expected to provide knowledge for the public about how to survive a pandemic, as well as knowledge about a commerce so that they can do digital. Okay, the second one, I want to explore the international tourism destination. I cause the Thailand destination tourism. Thailand is one of the countries in Southeast Asia. Thailand is known for its tourist spots. Thailand has many tourist attractions that take the attention of foreign tourists. The friendliness of local residents and delicious culinary offering make tourists feel at home, spending their vacation time in this white elephant country, the largest exporter of agricultural products in the world of abundant natural resources. Some of the most famous tourists in Thailand, namely Phuket, the Grand Place, Pattaya, and Chiang Mai, and also many other interesting places. Phuket being one of the tourist icons in Thailand. Phuket is indeed very popular and has been widely recognized by the world community. The Grand Place is an old building that has various Thai historical relics. So rich and unique in this place, we will be treated to a view that is second to none. This location of various parts, including templates, interesting cellars, and contain a maze of halls from the past Thailand Empire. Various historical relic and beautiful architecture. Pattaya is a beautiful beach of the most popular tourist destination in Thailand. We can enjoy a variety of culinary and entertainment along this beach. Chiang Mai became a popular location among tourists visiting the country. Here, we can also enjoy a variety of delicious Thailand culinary delights, including shopping for various cheap items that we can buy with a bargaining system. Apart from its popular beach to foreign countries, Thailand is also famous for its cultural destination. Thailand, the culture of this white elephant country is heavily influenced by religion. Wat Phra Kaew are also known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha is one of the proud tourist destinations of Thailand. Although known as Wat Phra Kaew or Temple of Emerald Buddha, the official name of this place is Wat Prasiratana Satsadaram, which means Sacred Jewel Buddhist Temple. Second one is the Joel Louis Puppet Theater. The Joel Louis Puppet Theater is the best place to see the Han Lok Hon Lek, a traditional Thailand puppet show which is the last art that has survived to this day. Here we can watch Thailand dance and puppet shows that Joel Louis team has been doing well to preserve, and we can also see epic stories related to Thai culture. The last of attraction culture is inland Thailand in the north. When visiting the northern part of Thailand, one place is not to be missed is the village where the Karen people live. Karen women are required to lengthen their neck using a pile of brass wire. In Thailand, there are several tourist villages where tourists see the Karen tribe, one of which is Ban Tong Luan in Chiang Mai. Now we can see the people's lifestyle, values of life, and view existed in the community. Every country has rules regarding freedom of speech. Thailand, which turned out to be very strict about freedom of speech, one of them is the prohibition to talk about the royal family. For everyone who does this, the culprit will be severely punished. The reason is he is considered the same as insulting. Showing and displaying affection in public is not common in society traditional Thai, especially between lovers. A prominent social norm states that touching someone on the head can be considered wrong. It is also considered disrespectful to place your feet on other people's heads, especially if that person is a higher social strata. This is because of the Thai people considered the feet to be the dirtiest and lowest part of the body and the head the most revered and highest part of the body. Okay. And also how we go to Thailand. Okay. For transportation problem from Indonesia, there are two ways that can be achieved. The first is by direct flight, and the second is by transit in Kuala Lumpur or Singapore. In Thailand, there are many choice of low budget hotels. Hotels here are quite cheap, starting from 76,000, or if you enter the bed around 170 baht. The cost of a vacation to Thailand for a hotel of 4 days 3 nights is around 250,000 only. Okay. In Bangkok, there is also a lot of food sold in the street food at low price. The taste is also very delicious and sweet Asian tongues. The cost for one meal is 10,000 to 25,000, and for one day we can roughly spend 100,000 on food costs, and for 4 days the consumption cost that we built in 400,000. Okay, now we see that Thailand tourism during the pandemic COVID-19. Okay. The country managed to occupy the top because it had a score of 95% in the international health regulation, moderate population density, and a very low number of COVID-19 cases. Tourism in Thailand reopened during the COVID-19 pandemic was due to the corona pandemic punishing. Thailand's tourism sector, which is to depend on foreign tourists. The most pressing challenge is ensuring that business survive the crisis. Thailand is uniquely to fully open up popular beaches and national parks to overseas tourists until a vaccine become authority will likely allow only a small number of foreign visitors to enter for a few months before considering further available easing. Okay, from the explanation above, I can conclude that every country has various destination tourism. Tourism provides many benefits for the countries. The benefit of tourism from economic point of view are tourism which generate large foreign exchange for the country, thereby increasing the country's economy. The benefit of tourism from culture point of view is understanding between cultures through the interaction of tourist visitors, with the local community where the tourist is located. From this interaction, tourists can get to know, they appreciate the culture of the local community and also understand the local culture background adopted by the community. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation video for final project domestic and international tourism. Thank you.